everyone, I wanted to show you this 120 piece eyelash clusters. This lash kit contains a diverse range of 6 lash styles and decurl lash clusters. These wispy lash clusters are made of high quality faux mink lash material. These are a great cost-effective alternative to eyelash extensions. Enjoy a comfortable and lightweight experience, seamlessly transitioning from day to night and effortlessly accommodating various occasions such as daily work, parties, nights out, and weddings. With proper care, these eyelashes are reusable. Thanks for watching.